If you are looking for the best salt grinder, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Cole & Amp, Mason Derwent Salt Grinder. The Cole & Amp, Mason Derwent Salt and Pepper Grinder set looks stunning with its slick acrylic and stainless steel design. This attractive set features carbon steel gears to effortlessly grind the peppercorns, while ceramic gears are used in the salt mill. The grinding motion is designed to be very smooth and easy while also maximizing flavor. Each mill comes pre-filled so that cooks can start using them straight away. This set offers several different grinding options for pure versatility. The pepper grinder features 6 different sizes, while 3 is supplied for the salt grinder. Number 2. Willow & Amp, Everett Stainless Steel Salt Grinder. After choosing the perfect salt and pepper grinders, you will want to make sure that they are going to last. These items typically receive daily use and need to be able to withstand plenty of wear and tear. The top quality materials in this set from Willow & Amp, Everett mean that they should be very durable kitchen companions. The main body of these grinders is solid glass, which makes it easy to see how much salt and pepper is inside. The set comes with a sleek and stylish stainless steel stand that helps to keep them together. Number 3. OXO EMW6503106, Salt. People who are busy in the kitchen are likely to find that their hands are slippery with oil or water. This means that handling salt and pepper grinders can be a bit tricky. Fortunately, the OXO Good Grips Salt Grinder is here to solve this problem. This model has been created to provide pure ease of use. The salt grinder comes with a very soft non-slip grip to make it especially easy to handle. Even when your hands are greasy from oil, the grinder will stay firmly in place. Number 4. Home EC Premium Ceramic Sea Salt Grinder. One of the biggest challenges that spice lovers face is keeping out moisture and dirt. It is all too easy for containers to become clogged, which can make them difficult to use. Home EC Salt and Pepper Grinder Set boasts stainless steel lids to alleviate this pesky problem. Each shaker holds 6 ounces of salt and pepper, which is more than enough for long-term seasoning needs. When desired, the shakers can be filled very easily thanks to the supplied silicone funnel. Seeing the remaining level is a breeze thanks to the BPA-free glass container. Number Number 5. McCormick Mediterranean Sea Salt Grinder. One of the great things about road trips is cooking while on the go. If you are putting together a mobile kitchen, you will want products that are easily disposable. The McCormick Mediterranean Sea Salt Grinder comes with 13.3 ounces of salt and can be thrown away when empty. This disposable grinder has been designed to be very easy to use. This model comes with 3 separate settings so that users can choose between fine, medium, or coarse grounds. McCormick is a household name when it comes to condiments, and the grinder is filled with high-quality sea salt. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.